Welcome to another mechanical weekend. Granted, it's Thursday today when I'm recording this, but you get it on the weekend. Taking a break from tool restorations before I break out the power tools. But today we got to work on these battery packs again. Now, 20 amp hours batteries on a 48 volt system on a 500 watt motor gives you a rough estimate range of about 30 kilometers, right? Keep that in mind. Keep that math in mind. Right now I'm working, well, the same could be said for the motor I've got right now, a 350 watt motor. 12 to 15 amp hour batteries on a 48 volt system will give you about a 30k range, 30 kilometers. Right now, I'm running 18 amp hour batteries on a 48 volt system on only a 350 watt motor. You would think that would increase the range, and it should. But I'm only getting about a 15k range. So we got a problem here. That problem being these batteries aren't holding a charge anymore. Now, I thought about this. I only bought these batteries about a year ago. But I got looking at them at one point and I realized since I bought them from Chinadian Tire in 2024, the stamp on them, and I got two here that have not been used, the stamp on them says they are produced in 2020. So I got these things and they were already 4 years old when I started using them, so they're not going to last that long. Not going to last quite as long. Now what I got to do is open these up, find my meter. There's my meter, my battery tester. What I did is I charged them up fully yesterday, took 2 trips of about 6-7 kilometers, and they were reading dead by the end of it. I didn't have enough power to make it to the end of the block or not. So what I got to do is open these up, test the individual batteries, figure out which 2 are the worst, and replace them with these 2, which should be better. Okay, I'll open up the cases and I'll show you how I'm doing this. You can tell by the road dirt on these exactly why I sealed them up with tape as much as I did. That's not going down dirt tracks or anything, that's on paved roads. So let's see what they look like on the inside. Perfectly clean. Come on, get out of there. Yeah, nothing gets in there. So here's our meter. It's a view of what we're looking at here. If I can get you over it. All the little attachments and stuff on this tripod have definitely come in handy so far. There. As you can see, it's a very simple meter. It's either good or not. Oh, for fuck's sakes. Can't get any balance. Try it from this angle. There we are. It's not going to fall over now, I hope. So, the battery is either good or not. Let's check this first one. If it's good, it's reading full 12 volts. If it's not, it's just not. Not good. Try this one. Not quite as bad, but still not good. Yeah, they're both low. Check these two. Same thing. They're either good or they're not good. I'm going to bring you over to see this one. Whichever one's the worst, that's the one we're going to replace. Well, you can see that meter, but it's the best angle I can get you. Pretty bad. Last one. Fucking dollar store bullshit. Last one. Let's see what the rating says. Yeah. So I'll replace one in each. This is the worst one. This is the worst one. So these two will get replaced. Yeah. These two here will get replaced with those two there. Then I'll hook up a charger and charge them up, and hopefully, I get a little better than 15 kilometers of range. I already know how to take these apart and put them together. I'll just get an 8mm wrench on the back, screwdriver, pop these off, pull out the old one, put in the new one. Simple. So I don't need to show you that. But I'll pull these up and show you the read on them. Right this second. Ugh. I'm glad I made these able to be pulled out like they are. So I can actually take the batteries out of the machine. So this one comes up low because they're not charged. This one comes up low because they're not charged. Yeah. October 2020, October 2020. They're all October 2020. These are, yeah, they were 4 years old when I bought them. What I get for trusting Canadian Tire. I'm going to have to take the 5+ hour bus run a couple of cities over into Burnaby where there's a battery center where I can actually get proper, good quality batteries. But I'll hook these up, charge them up, and see what happens. These all hooked up. Place these two. They'll sit aside until such point as everything gets replaced properly, which could be a while. Hopefully within a month I'll be able to have the necessary $500 to replace these batteries again. I had to borrow money from a friend to replace them last time. Unfortunately, the only option I had was here in Chilly Willy Wacky Land. I had to go to Canadian Tire and buy shit. But they lasted me a year, I'll say that. So I gotta get $500 together, go a couple of cities over to Burnaby and pick up proper batteries at a proper battery shop. But last piece of advice, it's an old rule but it still stands. When you're hooking up a battery charger, something you should always do, hook everything up first before you plug it in. I said it's an old rule, but it still applies. Just for safety, in case there's any shorts in there, they'll kick before you plug power to it. That's going to make an annoying buzzing sound for the next however many hours it is to charge these things up. But yeah. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll find out if they actually work, if I get any better range when I go to pick up groceries in the morning. And I'll let you know what happens. So yeah, it's going to take me 2 days to finish recording this one. But that should be it for today, and I'll let you know what happens tomorrow. All right, so the bike. Don't know if you can hear that buzzing or not, but battery's charging up. We swapped out those 2 batteries, and we got a reasonable improvement. Got a few extra kilometers out of it for the moment, till those batteries die down. So the next step is going to be buying new batteries, but hopefully these ones will last for the traveling I have to do, short as it is. Hopefully these ones will last another couple of weeks or a month until I have the cash on hand to actually go and get a new full set of batteries. So there's the ones we pulled out. The new ones that went in, as I said, it's a slight improvement. Okay, that should do it for this one. We'll talk to you next time.